In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect WordPress categories. And this is what we'll achieve by the end of this tutorial. Hello guys, this is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. So this is the website I want to password protect the categories, and I have some few blog posts on it. And to do this, I need to install a plugin. So I go to the back end of my website, then I go over to plugins, click on add new. Under search plugins, I search for access category password. And this is the plugin I'm going to install, access category password by Jujaba. Though it's not been updated for years, but the plugin works fine. So I'll go ahead and click on install now. And I activate. The plugin is installed and activated successfully. Next, I go over to settings, then I click on access category password. The first feature is the protection type. Do you want to protect your categories by session or by cookie? With session, users of your website always need to re-enter the password each time they launch their browser. And this happens to be the safer way. With cookie, you don't need to re-enter the password each time you want to have access to the content of the website. However, this is less secure, so I would suggest you use session. Next is the password. In here, you need to enter the password you want to give to your users if they want to have access to your content. So I just go ahead and enter some simple password. Next is impacted categories. Which categories of your website do you want to password protect? So if I choose colors and lifestyle, only these two categories will be password protected. Next is granting users. Which of these user roles do you want to grant access so that they don't need password in order to access the categories of your website? Choosing any of these user roles will depend upon what you want to achieve at the end of the day. For demonstration purposes, I'll just choose administrator. Going down. Next is only single post. This only hides the content of a single post. If this checkbox is checked, it will only hide the content of the single post view. This will allow you to be able to display except and content of protected posts on other pages like categories, homepage, search, and so on. Next is display except before password form. If this checkbox is checked, users of your website will be able to see some except before they are required to enter password to have access to your content. So this will only work if you specify some except in your blog post. If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out so that the video will be suggested to more people on YouTube and also benefit more people. Alright, let's continue. Next is info message. This is the alert users will see when a password is required in order to access your content. So I'll leave it as it is. However, you can go ahead and customize it the way you want. And I will leave the rest of the settings as they are. Then I go ahead and save the changes. It is saved. Now if I go to the front end of my website and refresh, at the moment we have 6 posts right here. You will still see the 6 posts. Take note that we have restricted colors and lifestyle categories. So I want to open a blog post which is in the lifestyle category. So I'll do this in a new private window. And you see that this content has restricted access. Please type the password below and get access. So for me to be able to read this particular blog post, I will need to provide a password. So first of all, I'll enter in a wrong password. And I click on get access. Sorry, but this is the wrong password. Now let me go ahead and enter in the correct password. Then I click on get access. And boom, I'm right there. So before users of my website will be able to use the lifestyle category, they will need a password, which I would be providing. Perfect. Now, I've given the administrator role not to enter password if they want to access the content. Let's see how that one will come up. So I go to the front end And I'm going to go ahead and open up this post, which is in the lifestyle category. And you see that it will just take me straight to the blog post, simply because the administrator doesn't need to enter password in order to access this content. Perfect. So that's it on how to password protect WordPress categories. If you want to password protect your entire WordPress website, I have a video in the description down below that will walk you through step by step as to how you can protect your entire WordPress website. Alright guys, I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Keep watching and I will see you in the next one.